Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
So hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes, and today I'm going to start the chapter circle. So before I going to start the chapter, first you have to know some properties here, and you know the definition of circle, what is chord, what is radius, so what is sector. So just go through the definition once again, and then you have to know here the properties is given in your book. Here the three properties are there. So here, if this is a circle and O is the center, if this is a circle and O is the center, and here AB is a chord, then the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord thus. That means here if OD bisect the chord, that means here OD is the perpendicular. A perpendicular on the chord which bisect the chord, that means AD equal to DB. That is the first properties. Second, the line joining the center of a circle to the midpoint of the chord is the perpendicular to the chord. Okay, that means this property and this one are vice versa. If it's perpendicular, then it's bisect the chord. If it's bisect the chord, that means it perpendicular. The perpendicular bisector of a chord of a circle pass through the center. And the last one, if this is a perpendicular and it bisect the chord, that means it passes through the center. Okay, so let's start exercise 24a. Here the problem number 1, calculate the length marked by x in each of the following diagrams. The unit of length being centimeter, O is the center of each diagram. So here this is a circle, here O is the center, and OA is the radius, that is 10 centimeter. Here AB is the chord, it's 16 centimeter, and that one, suppose here it's C, so that means OC is the perpendicular, and you have to find out the value of OC. So here OAC, this one OAC, it's a right angle triangle. So that means here OC is the perpendicular, AC is the base, and OA is the hypotenuse. And as here OC perpendicular on AB, that means OC bisect AB. So if AB is 16 centimeter, then AC equal to 8 centimeter and CB equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, now in this right angle triangle, here base equal to 8, hypotenuse equal to 10. So you can easily find out the value of height by applying Pythagoras theorem. That means here OC square equal to 10 square minus 8 square. 10 square means 100, 8 square means 64, that means 36. So OC equal to root over 36, that means here OC equal to 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter is the answer. Now for the second one and third one, you have to apply same formula. In this here OAC, suppose here AB equal to 6 centimeter, that means AC equal to 3 centimeter. So if OC equal to 1.6, AC equal to 3, so you can easily find out the value of hypotenuse by applying Pythagoras theorem. That means OC square, so 1.6 whole square plus 3 square. Okay, and then you have to root over to find out the value of x. Same thing for point number 3. Here OA equal to 6.5, OC, suppose this one C, so OC equal to 2.5. Then you have to find out AX. So to find out AX, the formula will be 6.5 whole square minus 2.5 whole square. Okay, so here AC equal to root over 6.5 whole square minus 2.5 whole square. Okay, and after calculation you will get the value of AC. After find out the value of AC, just multiply it by 2 and you will get the value of AB, that is the value of x. Now sum number 2. In a circle with center O and radius 13 centimeter, if AB is a chord and OM perpendicular on AB and OM equal to 5 centimeter, then what is the length of the chord? So here if this one a radius, so this one also a radius, that means here OA is a radius which is 13 centimeter and OM equal to 5 centimeter. So now by applying the Pythagoras theorem, you will find the value of AM. So here AM equal to root over 13 square minus 5 square, and that equal to 169 minus 25, that equal to root over 144. So that equal to 12. So that means the value of OM equal to 12. Now you have to find out the value of AB, that means the chord. So here AB equal to 12 into 2, that equal to 24 centimeter. Now sum number 3. In a circle of radius 17 centimeter, so here radius equal to 17 centimeter, find the distance of a chord of length 16 centimeter. So here the length of the chord equal to 16 centimeter, that means here AB equal to 16. You have to find out the distance. If O is the center and here if it is C, then you have to find the value of C. So here OC equal to root over, by Pythagoras theorem, 17 square minus 8 square, and that equal to root over 225. So that equal to 15 centimeter. Now sum number 4. Circles are concentric with center O. Find AC if OM equal to 8 centimeter. So here OM equal to 8, OC equal to 10 centimeter, and OB equal to 70 centimeter. So in this triangle OMC, here OC equal to 10 and OM equal to 8 centimeter. That means you can easily find out the value of CM or MC. So here CM equal to 10 means 100. So 10 square minus 8 square. So 100 minus 64, that means 36. So root over 36 equal to 6 centimeter. So that means here MC equal to 6 centimeter as well as MD equal to also 6 centimeter. Now next thing is in the triangle OMB. In the triangle OMB, here 17 centimeter is the hypotenuse and 8 centimeter is the height. So here the base, that means MB. So MB equal to root over 17 centimeter square minus 8 centimeter square. Now 17 into 17, that means 289. 289 minus 64, that equal to 225. So again 225, that means 15. So here the value of MB equal to 15 and value of MD, that equal to 6. So 15 minus 6, and that equal to 9 centimeter. So dB equal to 9 centimeter, and as dB equal to 9 centimeter, that means AC equal to also 9 centimeter. Now sum number 5. So here a chord distant 2 centimeter from the center of a circle is 18 centimeter long. So here AB is the chord and which is 18 centimeter, and it the distance between the chord from the center, that equal to 2 centimeter. So if 2 centimeter and if AB is the chord which is 18 centimeter, that means AC equal to 9 and CB equal to also 9. Here OB is the radius. Okay, so if this one equal to 2 and this one equal to 9, then by Pythagoras theorem you can easily find out the value of OB, and OB equal to root over 2 square plus 9 square. So 2 square means 4, 9 square means 81. So that means root over 85. Okay, so that is the value equal to root over 85. Now next one, calculate the length of a chord of the same circle, that means this circle, which is 6 centimeter distance. So suppose this one is the 6 centimeter distance, and there is the another chord. Suppose its the name is DE. D is the another chord, and here F. So the distance between DE from the center, that equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, and if you join OE, this is also a radius. That means it's the value equal to root over 85. So now you have to find out the length of this DE. So first you find out length here FE. So FE equal to root over root 85 whole square minus 6 square. So that equal to 85 minus 36, and that equal to root over 49. So that means 7 centimeter. So if FE equal to 7 centimeter, then DF equal to also 7 centimeter. So the length of this chord equal to 7 plus 7, that means 14 centimeter.